Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can create an animated Google loader similar to this one. And this is also a mobile responsive as well. So if you have not subscribed my channel, and can you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. This is a new channel for me. I need your support. So if you like my video, kindly please do like the video and do some comment as well. And if you want some kind of guidance and if you want me to upload more videos, you can leave the comment like on which topic you need the video, and I will create that videos for you. So let's start. I will close this bar here. So I have created a boilerplate for you, same as it is according to the previous lectures. Here I have the HTML markup, and here I have the CSS. I have included the Google fonts here, and I have write down some pre-default CSS for universal CSS for you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run up the live server for you guys. Let me run that, and let me close all of these windows from here. And 1 second, let me disconnect that. Let me run that again. Here you go. Let's start. Let's work on the markup first. So inside the body, I'm gonna create a class with the name of animated hyphen G loader. G stands for Google loader. I'm using a short form. Inside that, we need a tag. I'm gonna use H1. I will say animated Google loader. And after that I need an image that I'm gonna use that in this project. Let me check if I have an image in this project. Okay, I don't have an image in this project. Let me grab my image and let me paste that in the folder. I have that in my downloads. Just give me a second and let me pull up my image. I have pasted the image inside my folder, and what I'm gonna do if I open up here, so this is the Google image. This is the PNG image that I'm gonna use right now. You can find out from the Google. You can go on Google and type Google PNG image. You will find out the PNG image, and you can use that in your project. Or if you need the code, if you need my code, you can let me know, and I will send you that. Or you can I will leave my email in the description, so you can ping me, and you can email me, and I will send you the code using email. So inside the image, I'm gonna link my image, and I will say Google PNG, and alternate I will say Google image, Google icon, or I can say a Google logo. Right now it's showing bigger here, but we are gonna fix that right now. So what I will do, I will come up here and I will say body, and inside the body, first of all, I need a background color. So I will say background hash 252E32. This is gonna our background color. So can you see we have a beautiful background color? And after that we are gonna say our color for the body text, that is going to be white, and our logo, our text color has been white. Right now it's not responsive. We will work on that. And after that we have an animated G loader. So we will pick up this class, and we are gonna add some CSS. First of all, we will say display flex, and if I do that, this is gonna be in one line. We don't want that into one line. And first of all, we will say justify, or one thing we will do we will say flex direction, and that is going to be column. So this will come inside this will be in as this will view as in column. So before that, that was in the row by default. And after that, we want this into center. We will say justify content center. If I save that, and after that we need to do align items center. So this is in the center but not in the exact middle. So for that purpose, what I have to do, I will say height 100 VH, and if I save that, this is gonna work now. And I will say font family I have already included above, so I'm not gonna do anything on here. So the next part that we are gonna work on, that is going to be, let's work on the our image part first, because it's looking bigger. We need to make this smaller. So we can, after that we can work on our text part. So on image, I will say width is going to be 150 px, and I will save that. It's looking much better. And after that, I will say max width is going to be 100%. Once this is in the responsive mode, like when we are gonna make our screen more smaller, then this is automatically gonna adjust this according to the screen size. After that, we're gonna say margin bottom, that is going to be, we're gonna say 50 pixels. And one more thing, after that, now our text, our image has been responsive now. This is not gonna disturb us anymore, so we can work on the text now. So we want to change the text color and we need some space here. So we are gonna say H1, and after that we will say font weight is going to be, before font weight we need to adjust the font size, that is going to be 40 pixels. And after that I will save that, font size has been changed. And the second thing is we need to work on font weight, that is going to be 600. And we need our text into the center, so I will say text align center, it's in the center now. And the third thing that we need is we need to put up some color. So we are gonna say that we are gonna pick up the Google color, this yellow color from here. I have already written the code name of the this color, so it's FBBC0 and 5. If I save that, can you see it's looking good on, it's matching with our background. So the next thing we need to work on the loaders, the icons that I have showed you, like that was popping up and down. We need to work on that. So for that purpose, we will come up here and inside inside our div we are gonna say container. And after that, inside container we need four divs with the name of dot class. I will say multiply by 4 and I will hit enter, so I have a container and 4 dots, and I will save that. Now we need to work on these container and these dot. I'm not gonna write anything inside the dots because we need to display that here. And I will say dot container, and after the container I will leave this as it is so I can show you like what I'm gonna write inside that. So the next thing that we need to work on, that is our these dots. So I'm gonna say dot container and dot our other class, this dot, these loader dots that we are gonna put here. So I will say width we need 40 pixels and height is going to be same 40 pixels. And I will save that. Right now it's not showing anything. We need to give some border radius, that is going to be 50 or we can say 100%. And after that, let me save that. Still I can't see that. We need to give a background color as well, so we are gonna say background color, that is going to be let's say yellow one. Or we can just simply let's copy this color for now, so I can just show you. Or we can use the black color here. Let's do the black and let me save that. Can you see we have these three dots, and right now these are in the column state. We need this into a one line. So what we can do, we can come up here and we can say display df. It's a short form in the VS Code. If you do df and if you hit tab, this is gonna make this is gonna type display of flex. This is short form, very handy. You can quickly write down the display of flex. I will save that, and this is in the line, but there is no gap between them. So we need to change this gap. I'm gonna say gap, and we're gonna say 20 pixels, and I will save that. Can you see we have a beautiful gap between them? Okay, the next thing that we have to work on, we need to work on these icons, these dots, these circles. We need to fix up these colors. So what we can say, I'm gonna pick up this and I will paste that here. I'm gonna use this multiple times. I'm gonna duplicate this 4 times, 1 2 3. Okay, and after that, inside the dot, before working on this dot, I need to say nth child. So the first one, we have to work on this. Let me remove this. We can duplicate the above one at one time. So from here I will say background color, and for the first dot we are gonna put the background color, that is going to be hash, and after that 4285 F4. At the end, once we colorize these things, after that we are gonna change we are gonna work on the animation part. And right now I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna say animation hyphen delay. I'm gonna put the property and I'm gonna say minus 0.25 S. This is the animation delay, like when the animation needs to work, we need to work on the animation here. Once we are done with the our nth childs, after that we will come here and we will define our animation. So again, I will just duplicate these lines. I will copy up and I will duplicate these lines. I will paste that here, and this is going to be second. I will copy this and I will paste that again and again. So this is second, and this is going to be third, and this is going to be fourth. And after that we need to change the color of the second one. That is going to be let me remove that. That is going to be EA 4335. And after that we need to work on the third one, and third one is going to be FBBC05. And one more thing on the above one that we have to do, that is going to be the animation. That is going to be the first one is 0.25, and this is going to be 0.5s. And like this is the animation delayness, like on the second one and the third one, and third one is going to be 7.5, and the color is changed. And the last one, we need to change the color for this one. That is going to be 34 A853. And this is the last part. Like, can you see this blue one match here, red one similar orange or red. I'm not very good with the colors. And after that this yellow part, and after that this parrot green type we have here. And we need to change this one, and this is going to be 1s. And after that we need to come up here and we need to define before working on that, let me save that. We have beautiful colors here, but these are not animating right now, so we need to work on the animation as well. So I will come up here and I will type animation, and I will say animation name is going to be loading. And after that I'm gonna say 1 second in which this needs to complete the scenario. And after that I'm gonna type infinite, like we don't want to stop our animation, we want to our anime to be in the loop, like in the running position. After that we will have another property here that is going to be a value, sorry, not the property, alternate. So what this alternate means, this means that the animation will play in the reverse of every odd iteration. So, and that is going to create the effect of the dot to moving up and down. So that's why we put alternate here. So I will save that, but still it's not gonna run because we need to call this animation and we need to write stuff for the animation there. So I will come at the bottom and I will say add keyframes and the identifier, and identifier name is the loading. I will copy and paste that, and we are gonna say our animation is gonna start from the 0%. And what will be the on 0%, we are gonna say transform. We are gonna use the property transform. And after that we are going to say translate, and that is going to be y. On the y-axis we want that to be up and down basically, and that is going to be 15 pixels. And after that we are going to say 100%, and in 100% that is going to be transform, and inside that translate, and it's again going to be y, and we are gonna pass the value of the y, that is going to be 5. From 0 that is going to be 15, and after that the 5. Can you see it's moving now perfectly fine? This is your Google animated Google loader. So I hope you like this video. Kindly please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I need your support a lot to reach on the top on the YouTube platform. This is my first time I'm on the YouTube, and I'm making videos and lectures for you guys, so I need a lot of your support. If you like my video, kindly please do some comments as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.